Hey, Willie, thanks for letting me make this video for you. And thank you for actually taking the time to watch this. So what we're going to do today is we're going to show you some quick and easy ways that a website set up correctly could help you bring in more business for your business. If you're wondering why I make this video for you, it's really simple. I find there's a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And what's mostly holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is that they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners will take this information and do it for themselves, and some will call me back and ask for help. So if you want some help with this, you can give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do this yourself, please do. I'm just trying to help out business owners like yourself. Without further ado, because you don't have a website of your own already, I'm going to bring up the top competitor website for, this is Gravel Companies of Fayetteville, North Carolina. And you may do more than just the crush and run, I'm not sure, but we'll use this as a reference point. So as you can see, this WHI Sand and Gravel is number one here in the map pack and number one in organic traffic here. So let's go ahead and have a look at their website. And it's a very basic website. There's not a lot of information here. They only have around 380, 390 words on their front page. And so right away, I can make you a better looking website than this, which wouldn't be hard. And I can incorporate a lot more content. So content real quick is how Google ranks you and puts you in that number one spot. All right. So when someone searches for sand and gravel or crush and run in Fayetteville, Google is going to want to put them in front of the website that's going to answer all the questions and fulfill all their needs. Okay. So how you appear to Google uh, is very important. And so you're going to want to be looking like the subject matter expert. And Google's going to basically rate your site based on how authoritative your site is. And so the more words of content, say around 1,000 to 1,500 words, uh, would bring in more attention to your website right away because Google would be placing it higher up in the search where people click on who they're going to do business with. That does, again, two things. It's going to help you look more like an authority on the subject, and it's going to allow you to incorporate um, very, very important things called keywords. And keywords are those words people put into the uh, the search box to find what they're looking for. So it's really easy to go and see what people are searching for, how many people are searching for, how often it's searched for, and then we use those keywords strategically on your website so that you can rank higher, right? So the next thing is you're going to want to look like you are trustworthy, right? And so Google judges you based on how many other websites are linking to you to make you look trustworthy. So you're going to want to get relevant industry specific sites linking to you, like so other sand and gravel or um, industry type websites linking to you is much better than say like a Pizza Hut that you redid their parking lot. You know what I mean? So just to give you an example of what that looks like, we go into this um, nifty little program called Ahrefs, and this is the WHI sand and gravel again, and it gets sitting at the top. So this is very easy to take over. These are the referring domains I was talking about. They only have 8, all right, and the 8 aren't doing that much for them. Look at this; their rating's very low. Um, they're only they're only getting 51 people a month with these 8 referring domains. Okay, so we can easily blow these guys out of the water with more referring domains and good quality ones that really are going to make you look like the authority on sand and gravel or crush and run or whatever it is you want to be the authority on. Okay. Um, Lastly, so when folks go to search for a sand and gravel company or a crush and run company in Fayetteville, they're looking to do business, right? So they're going to click probably on the first website that looks trustworthy. And those usually find themselves right here in this Google Map pack. Okay. And I know this is where I do business. Sometimes you'll see some ads up here, and those are paid, but they're hit or miss because people don't trust them, and other people have ad blockers and can't even see them, right? So this guy right here would be the first person I would call because they have they have a website, and two, they're the top of this list and the top of this list. So how do you get here? It's real easy. You want your name, address, and phone number in as many different directories on the web as possible. Okay, and that's directories are like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp, Angie's List, all those things, Facebook. So we would just go out and find as many quality uh, directories as we could for you, say 200 to 300, and get you listed in those directories, and that'll shoot you right to the top of this list right here. And along with the other things we talked about today, it would help you get to the top of this list right here. And so I think you could deal with 230 to 260 more people finding your website than what you're seeing right now, which is just word of mouth or Facebook ads, right? So that's all I got for you today. I'd love to speak with you further, see what your goals are, and see what all you're trying to get accomplished. If you found this information to be helpful, and you would like to talk further, please give me a call. If you want to take this information again and do it all yourself or hire somebody else, that's awesome too. I'm just trying to help, right? So if you if you could don't mind, just give me a few lines of feedback. Just respond to me by email. Let me know what you thought of this video. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.